Eventleaf can help your exhibitors or vendors capture leads easier and faster using the Eventleaf Leads app. Let me show you how to set it up. First, you will need an exhibitor added to your event. Next, you need to create a user for your exhibitor to sign in to the Eventleaf Leads app. You can have multiple users tied to the same exhibitor, or have one user being used across multiple devices, whichever you prefer. Once that user is signed into the Leads app, they can begin to scan the badges of your event attendees. Once scanned, the lead can be rated and notes can be taken for future references by the exhibitor. As the organizer, you choose what information is available to the exhibitors scanning the badges by manipulating the attendee form fields. Clicking on the menu button in the upper left of the app presents the option to export the leads, allowing your exhibitors the ability to retrieve their own list without needing to reach out to the event organizer. Simply enter a valid email to send the leads to, and anyone scanned by a user attached to that exhibitor will be included in that exported report. That is how exhibitors and vendors can capture leads using the Eventleaf Leads app.